tipped over.
Hey guys, so today we're heading over to La Jolla.
San Diego, here we go. Let's go.
Our anniversary is on Monday, but we're celebrating this weekend. And we decided that for our anniversary, we're gonna try to take a trip every year. So that's gonna be really fun.
Wait. I didn't agree to that. No.
We decided.
You just made that up right now. A trip.
Anyway,
Oh.
we're having in and out. Jonathan,
The most dangerous thing to do.
he decided to get a double
Lettuce wrap.
lettuce wrap.
So it's a 4x4, double cheese or quadruple cheese burger.
Whatever that is. Looks delicious, but he's gonna make a mess because he's known to make a mess, like even when he's not eating messy foods. So yeah, so we're gonna eat in the car right now.
I'm just kidding.
We're gonna eat in the car right now, and then we'll catch with you a little later once we're maybe like halfway into our trip. Bye.
Hello, is anyone there? Hello?
Okay, I'm leaving.
Okay. Hey guys, we made it to the Sheraton Hotel. We made it. 4.5 hour drive.
That was brutal.
Stefy is about done, but I wanted to show you guys. We did fit all of this luggage in this car, and she fit too. Now let's get checked in. Hey, we're down here in La Jolla Shores. We got Uncle Geza. He's our tour guide. We got Stefy. We're gonna go kayaking to La Jolla Shores. They're way over there in the caves, and we'll take you along with us. All right, we're kayaking. We made it out. Geza. Stefy, how you doing up there?
I'm okay.
She's the captain of the
so
ship.
Nervous.
I guess there's a lot of stingrays, Geza was telling us over here, so we had to shuffle our feet to get up here. But now we're out in the middle of nowhere. I'm not paddling, but we're gonna have to start paddling here, guys. We made it to the caves. We're going in. We made it. Here we go. Going in deep.
Carolyn, give it to me and I'll try to get all of this.
Alright. La Jolla Shores! La Jolla Cove! To go around, we're gonna try to go inside a cave, so we'll see. Alright, there's some seals over there up ahead on the corner. Come on, Stefy, get there. Oh, the seals. That dude's heavy. That's a little chubby. Look at him. Living the life. Here we are, La Jolla. We're shipwrecked. Help! SOS. So there's some sharks over here. We're gonna go swimming. Try to capture some footage of them. Hey! Hey!
Woo! So I'm not going in the water because I'm a little baby.
Alright, I'm all hooked up, guys. We're gonna go find some sharks, swim with the sharks. Stefy, you alright?
Yeah, I'm sitting on your...
Hold the boats. Hold the boats.
Hold the fort.
Look at these beautiful homes over here. Kind of hard to walk on the rocks, but the sharks are right here. I saw two that went by. What are they? Tiger sharks, right?
Leopard sharks.
Leopard sharks. They're like a dark black color. Back out in the middle of the water. Woo! Kayaking is such a great workout. It's a great couples workout, right, babe? Yeah. No? Yeah. Peaceful out here. It's quiet. Don't have our cell phones. Call us later. I'm shivering right now, but if you didn't know, shivering for 10 minutes burns 1,000 calories. Look it up. Google. Oh, Geza! Did he flip over? Oh, he lost his boat. He lost his boat. Holy shit. He tipped over.
You okay?
Uh-oh. Red alert. Let's go see Geza. He flipped over the boat. All right, Geza's good. He's coming over our way. He got stuck over there in a swell. Take a moment on this real estate. Look at all the real estate on the hillside. Love that house right there in the corner. Like a box, but it's got glass all the way around. Pretty dope. Some big waves today. Big waves. 4 feet. Geza made it back to the party.
I tried to go surf and I got capsized and jacked up.
We're like, oh, he's gonna catch a wave, cool. And then I saw you, and then I'm like, oh shit, where'd he go?
Yeah, I lost all 4 fins.
No.
I found them.
Oh really?
But I lost my goggles. My
Ah.
sunglasses.
No.
Nah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Just being a little cocky. I'm like, I got this. I'll surf this thing, no problem. I was like, oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Espressos and cappuccinos there.
Seriously. I'll wait and get a nice coffee over there.
So we're here on vacation, anniversary, 3 years, we made it. We were at La Jolla Scoops. You guys
That
should
place
definitely
was so
check it
good.
out. So good, so good.
Now we're having coffee because we didn't have it and I had a headache.
Stefy's addicted to coffee, I think. She can't go within 30 minutes of waking up without coffee, or else she has a headache and she's crying and all over the place. Yo, what up guys? Whoa. Yo, what up guys? Jonathan Golden back in the hotel room. We just got back from kayaking the coves and we had scoops of ice cream. Beautiful day so far. Now we're gonna go bowling tonight. So we Googled some stuff to do. Bowling we thought of, so we're gonna do that. It's always good to bowl. And just want a quick update on our Canon G7X. Geza had that wipeout and the camera was in a waterproof bag, but it got submerged, so we're drying it out. We do not know the verdict of the Canon G7X. We're trying to resurrect it. We'll see what happens. And Stefy is looking fuego. Woo-wee! Alright guys, we're gonna shut off the vlog because it could get spicy. Good morning. Porsche fans, GT3 lovers, we are driving back home. But first things first, update on the camera, it did not make it. The Canon G7X is outdated. Oh, we have a runner. Everything all right?
Everything good.
Go.
Let's go.
Hold the cam, no vlogging and driving. It's against the rules. So we are on our way to Phil's Coffee.
We're so excited. I've heard such good things about that coffee spot and I've been wanting to get it since Friday pretty much, but we just haven't been able to.
Alright,
And
let me see where it's close by. It's like 0.0 miles away.
yeah. It's been a crazy morning. We were supposed to wake up at 7 and we ended up waking up at 8:30.
That was your fault.
That was my fault. Totally. I woke up at 6:30 because yesterday we had Thai food for dinner and it was really spicy, so I woke up at like 6:30 with really bad heartburn.
Someone's getting old.
Yeah, but the food was so good though. So we'll get our coffee and we'll see you guys.
Yo, we got Phil's coffee in the house and avocado toast with egg. Looks good.
The coffee's so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got filtered sold, and it's like
Filtered sold?
sold.
Sold. Nothing.
And
They
it's-
sold you on that.
Yeah, it's like a hazelnut with like chocolate.
Yum. And I got ether, which was toffee, cinnamon, and cherry. Tastes pretty good. Now we're on our way to a helicopter tour. Can't wait. We've both never been on a helicopter tour, so we're gonna take you guys with us and get a tour of San Diego.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can see,
People are jumping out of the planes right here.
Yeah, I don't think you can really pick it up in the camera though, but there's like tiny little humans.
Flying through.
Maybe
Yeah.
you can kind of see it.
That guy's falling quick. Or what the fuck?
Scary. I don't know. That's
Or
just
that was
really
like
scary.
something else though.
I would never do that.
I
Jump
would.
off a plane. That's like my biggest. Like it looks like, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like they're going onto the street.
Ah!
What is that person? Oh my god, that person looked like they were going out of control.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's not my thing. Jonathan maybe, but no.
I'm down.
Yeah, you would. I don't think I could do
I
that.
love anything that gives me a minor heart attack.
Yeah, Jonathan's like a daredevil. He loves adrenaline and like all that kind of stuff.
We're turning left to the airport.
We're almost at the helicopter place. I'm so excited.
This is scary. And here's our escort. Oh, that's cool.
In real quick as soon as you get done with that.
Yeah. Here's the helicopter. Wave Rider helicopter tours. Looks pretty cool. It's super small. I'm about the same height as a helicopter. It looks cool. It's got a lot of views on the side.
Never go back. Yeah, it's like that on the left side.
A little GoPro here. We should have put the mount. All right, we're linked up here. We're about to take off. So hang on. Guys, we're back on the road, heading back to Santa Clarita. And we had an excellent helicopter tour. Happy anniversary to my wife, Stefania, Nudel, Maria, Goldana. Super fun little helicopter ride. Thank you, Wave Rider Helicopter Tours. We'll link them down below. Kirk was an excellent pilot. Everything was smooth landing.
Yeah, he was really good.
Better than an airplane, that's for sure. The airplane helicopter, I think we might rent it though if I get my license, because it's $600,000. Man, that's a big investment.
It's like a house.
What'd you think, Stefy?
I loved it. It was so cool.
Yeah, the La Jolla Cove bar, and then like there was like a couple homes he was saying down there that they have private staircases all the way to the private beaches. That was cool.
We saw it, yeah, it was really cool. Like you just go down the stairs, go to the ocean, swim, whatever, come back up, go in your pool, and then shower.
Yeah. And then there was one house that was the only house on the cove that had a, I was trying to capture it. I don't know. Yeah, it had an elevator.
To the beach.
A single elevator all the way to the beach. So that was dope. But now we're leaving Friday, a little bit before.
Sorry, it's Sunday.
Oh, sorry, it's Sunday. Leaving a little bit before 11 or 12 o'clock. It's gonna take us 2 hours to get home.
What a difference from almost 5.
Yeah, 5 hours to get here. So don't leave after 12 if you come to San Diego. We're leaving. I think that's the key. And he said, Kurt, the helicopter guy, he said it would take 40 minutes from San Diego to LA. So that's why I want to get my license, so we don't have to wait 2.5 hours, 4 hours to drive.
Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.
See you on the next video. Be sure to
Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and then comment down below. Bye.
see ya. We made it to the gas station.